Builderall review. Can it really replace all of your existing marketing tools? I'm going to cover that plus a lot more right after this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. And for those of you that are new here, my name's Jamie G. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If that's of interest to yourself, I'd like to invite you guys to subscribe. Feel free to hit that button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. All right, so today what we're covering is Builderall. Now, in case you're unfamiliar with Builderall, it's a suite of marketing tools that has the potential to pretty much replace all of your existing free and paid marketing tools. I know that's a pretty big claim, but it really does cover a lot of stuff. In fact, we're talking about over 30, I think at the moment. I actually lost count. I think there's over 30 digital tools that you can use as part of Builderall. What I'm going to do is just jump over to my laptop. I'm going to take you through the pricing structure, why I think it's such a solid resource, and how you can actually use it to start making money in your own business as well as an affiliate. It's pretty cool stuff. Look forward to seeing you guys in a moment.
Hey, welcome back, guys. Thanks very much for joining me. Alrighty, so we're just on Builderall at the moment. Now, before I go any further, if you would like some more info and perhaps try Builderall for yourself, you are welcome to join my team. I cover a bunch of stuff. I offer exclusive training. Most of all, I offer over $3,700 worth of additional bonuses thrown in should you choose to upgrade and join my team. Now, in order to do so, really straightforward. All you need to do is click the link below in the description. You can sign up for a trial, see if it's for you. If it is, and you do decide to proceed, like I say, you're going to get a whole bunch of bonuses and access to me to help you out along the way. So anyway, with that out of the way, let's get started. I'm just on builderall.com at the moment. Like I say, click the link to follow along. Even if you don't decide to move forward, that's absolutely fine. You're welcome just to have a look. So, all right, they've just revamped the website. This is Builderall 3.0. It was obviously 2.0 prior to that. And it's actually just been upgraded in order to, I guess, improve what they're offering, improve the responsiveness of the actual site, things like that. So I'm not really going to go over this, but there is a couple of things I really did want to show you now. First and foremost, what I wanted to do is just give a bit of a review and an overview of the available tools within Builderall. So I'm just going to jump over to this next tab here. And this is the actual plans that are available. So in case you're wondering, they used to have 3 plans, and it was basically the Builderall Business, Builderall Digital, and I think Builderall Basic from memory. And basically the Builderall Basic was $10 worth, the $10 per month. The digital marketing plan was $29.90, and the Builderall Business was $49.90 as well. So it has been upgraded slightly, but in my opinion, $69.90 per month is absolutely dirt cheap for the value that you're getting. And of course, if that's not to your liking, you can also get the digital for $30 per month. Although I really do highly recommend, if you are going to jump on this, it really is worth having a look at the premium level. So what do we got, and what do you get for the premium level and the basic level as well, or central level, sorry. You got site builders. Now, first and foremost, Builderall is a website and funnel building software. But having said that, and like I'll show you in a moment when I go into my back office, there is a ton of other stuff you can do with it. And I'm just going to race down this list here, so at least it gives you a bit of an idea as to what's available and how you can potentially use it for your own business. So we've got an email marketing platform, so you actually get your own autoresponder. Now, this aside, I mean, I'm paying separately $45 per month for my autoresponder. Now, the only reason, by the way, that I haven't brought everything over to Builderall is because I've been with this company for a long time. I've integrated within so many different platforms and landing pages out there. I just thought, you know what, I've got it there. I'm just too lazy to bring it across to actually use it. But if you do decide, you also have the autoresponder there. They're in a funnel builder. Now, this is, again, something I've actually seen being sold for $97 per month, which basically allows you to map out your entire funnel before you even get onto it. So you can kind of see, all right, this is my upsell. This is the emails that are being sent here. This is the thing that's going to be part of that, and the downsell. and this is my high ticket marketing and high ticket coaching program here, all that sort of stuff, which is really cool. You got email workflow, you got webinar, an entire webinar streaming platform as part of that. Now, I know for a fact getting webinar software elsewhere is extremely expensive just on its own. You also got ghost audiences, which is really cool. You got Magento, which is an e-commerce functionality. Now, this is something that is brand new as part of the 3.0 launch, and I'm personally really excited about it because I did actually set up a site, an e-commerce site for a former client of mine using the former e-commerce functionality, which was perfect. It worked really well. Took orders. There was no issues with it whatsoever. But I'm really excited because Magento has been around for a long time, and the I guess installation of that is just an added bonus as well. So it means instead of you having all these expensive Shopify's and different things, you can have it all in the one place. You can actually build your own professional looking magazine. Now, again, I'm very fortunate. One of the recent associates I've made has very kindly asked me to contribute to his upcoming magazine, which I was very flattered with, and have decided to do so. So keep an eye out for that as well. It's kind of cool. You can create your own apps. Like that in itself is pretty massive. iOS and Android app builder. You got your own CRM. This is a new function of Builderall 3.0. This is only just coming to fruition now. I have not had the chance to play around with this as yet. Basically because I actually have something called Zoho CRM and Invoice, actually, strangely enough, and that's something that I've been using. So it may be something that I'll end up transitioning over to. But again, for me, I face that kind of annoying thing that if I do decide to bring all my leads and sales, all that sort of stuff over, is it going to be a hard transition period? So I will have to look into that, and I'll get back to you guys. It might actually be worth doing a separate video on that at some stage. A directory builder. So if you're a local business, say for example in the plumbing niche, and you want to set up basically a place where technically you're getting more exposure to your plumbing business, but you want to help people find plumbing businesses easy, you can actually set up a directory. Now, what they will do, of course, is basically promote your business, and then at the same time, you also help other people out by putting them all together. So it can do that. That's just one random example that came off the top of my head. Facebook message chat. Now, if you're unfamiliar with chatbots in general, Facebook Messenger chatbots are freaking amazing. You can get sort of anywhere from 80% open rates. Last chatbot blast I ended up getting 26% click-through rates. They are absolutely insane, and this is all part of that as well. A checkout application. So you've got a really, really sleek looking checkout. If you're familiar with the likes of, say, Thrivecart or Samcart, I think Samcart starts off at $97 per month. Thrivecart, I think from memory, is like $700 one off. So you're saving yourself a ton of money just with that alone. You can have your own affiliate system. Again, this is amazing because who doesn't want to be able to get someone else to sell their products for them, right? You've got a multi-tiered affiliate system, so you can have, say Mr. X signs up and buys the product, or sorry, and then he then gets someone else referred on, then you can have two tiers like that, which is cool. Video tagging, auto tag, sitebot. Sorry, guys, I'm going to have to go through this a bit quicker. I know I'm dragging this on. E-learning, so that's cool in itself. So think of like Udemy or Kajabi, something like that. Obviously, those are Udemy's free to create, of course, but it is limited to that platform, whereas you can have basically full control over it with this one. SMS and WhatsApp messaging, which is just huge, absolutely huge. So I don't know if you're familiar with this, but the open rates by comparison to, say, chatbots and all that sort of stuff, you're looking at about 98% open rates. So absolutely insane engagement out of SMS, believe it or not. Auto posting, so you can automatically post to your social media accounts. They've got browser notifications, so you may have seen the little icons that pop up from time to time in different websites that you go to. You can actually create them through Builderall. They've got an entire mock-up studio, so if you want to see what your designs and what your ads and all that sort of stuff look like, they've got a mock-up studio. You can produce photos, 3Ds, all that sort of stuff. You got a video sales page builder, floating video, social proof app, video wrapper. That's massive in itself. I paid, I think it was $50 to start with for it's called Video Wrapper, actually, strangely enough. And yeah, I mean, you can get it all part of the one deal here. You got an entire community. You got transfer websites and funnels to either your clients if you are creating websites on behalf of clients. You can also get your virtual assistant access. all this stuff, right? So again, I'm not going to go through that. I think I've spent enough time. But anyway, needless to say, for value for money, it is absolutely insane for $69.90 per month. Like I say, there is a link below if you would like to join my team. I'm going to hook you guys up with some mad bonuses, some incredible training, and done for you funnels as well. So the other thing I wanted to show you guys is the affiliate network that I've got available here. Now, you can't promote this as a make money online offer, and I don't really think that's the best way to go about it. You do have to promote it with the tools that they have available, but what makes it really, really powerful is they have a multi-tiered system. Now, it's not MLM, it's not looking at having a full downline, anything like that, but you can, for example, get recurring revenue, recurring commissions based on referring different people. So say, for example, you sign someone up and you get basically 100% commission for the first month, plus a recurring commission each and every month that person remains on. But then you also get commission if that person then signs someone else up as well. So you also get a commission based on that. So pretty damn cool stuff. I'm not going to go right into the depths of that. It's something that I do teach to my students who do come on board. But I mean, it's an incredibly powerful way for you to start making a bit of cash online from promoting this. So they do have a point system. You do need to, if you decide not to sign up and actually use the tool and you just want to be an affiliate, they do have a point system whereby you need a certain amount of points before you're eligible to retrieve your cash flow. Obviously, it's in everyone's best interest if you do actually just use the tool. It makes life a lot easier. So that's why it's so powerful as well. Now, they seem to have skipped a couple of the details here because it is actually pretty full on, the affiliate system. Let's make sure I haven't missed anything here. Okay, yeah, sorry, here we go. All right, so say, for example, you have a direct affiliate, and each affiliate that you sign up, you're going to get more points for type thing. So here we go. Here's a bit of an idea. There we go. All right, so there, you get 100% commission for the first month, and then every consecutive month, you're going to get $20. This is if they sign up to the business plan, sorry, the premium plan. And then you also get a retention bonus as well. So every 3 months, assuming that the person stays on with you, you're going to get an additional amount of cash from that as well. So an additional 15. So basically, the reason why is that they want to incentivize people that actually want to maintain it as a tool. They want to have people that use it ongoing, not just, cool, I'll just do it for a month and then quit type thing. So it's in everyone's best interest, and obviously they remunerate accordingly. All right, so here you go. There's the other thing. So you can, like I say, you can get commissions for based on the number of people that are in your downline. I know it's said you can't really call it a downline, but it really is, I guess, for lack of a better word. But it only goes out to the third affiliate. So, and again, that's not really the incentive of actually promoting Builderall. It is, like I say, 100% upfront plus the $20 recurring commission as well. All right, there's a car bonus. So this is the really cool thing. Okay, so basically you get essentially as small as $50 per month, right up to unlimited if you get more people to sign up. Right. So as you can see, if you get basically 6,900 points, you're going to get $500 per month as a bonus. They will essentially pay for the lease or rent on your dream car. Basically, that's pretty much what that means. And here you go. This is the other plan that I've got available as well for the $29.90 plan. So as you can see, 100% upfront, $8 recurring commission. Plus, if you do get them to maintain that for 3 months, you also get a retention bonus, and then it resets after that as well, right? So, and then the same thing. You basically, if I sign someone else up and then they sign someone else up, I will get recurring commission based on that part of the downline. Once again, there is a car bonus there as well. Okay. Now, an annual fee. So here's the thing, right? You don't actually pay that annual fee if you sign up for Builderall. Okay, what they're trying to do is just get people that are looking just to promote it. They want to incentivize the idea of actually using the tool, because I mean it is really powerful anyway. So I don't know why you wouldn't bother, but that's the whole reason why that's there. Now they do also have this earnings simulation thing. Now I'm going to show you guys briefly, and I will get into the tools. I apologize, I know this is taking a little bit longer than expected. All right, so kind of just gives you a bit of an idea anyway. So say, for example, you made 10 sales of the 69.90 plan, 3 of them upgrade and become affiliates themselves, Each one of those makes 10 personal sales. And each affiliate also has 3 customers who upgrade to affiliates and make exactly the same sales, right? So basically means that you're going to get this amount of points for that many, plus 10 sales, you're going to get 690 points, 100% first month, so $70 plus obviously the ongoing means that you'll get the qualified points 897 plus about $700 recurring each and every month. Pretty damn cool, right? Not bad. So anyway, right, I've talked about that long enough. Like I say, grab that opportunity, join my team if you're interested. Right, we're in the back end of Builderall now, and if you do sign up, yours might look quite different. I've just basically put in the tools that I either wanted to get in touch with, or play around with, or learn more about. Right, so this is the great thing, is that you can actually basically just put it here and add or delete items as you choose. So for me, I personally use the responsive builder. And as I mentioned, I haven't transitioned everything over to Mailing Boss, which is their autoresponder, but I do still keep it there because my leads get automatically updated into Mailing Boss as well. Like I say, you do have the eCommerce functionality. You've got the Canvas builder where you can build the entire funnel out. And if you do want to add more items, all you need to do is quite easily just click on Install More, and it's going to take you to this next page. And this is the beauty of it all, is that you can add as many as you want. Like I say, there's so many tools that you can add, but I would suggest if you do jump on board with this, you don't confuse yourself. You just stick to the core things that you need. And then, of course, you can start implementing them and start using them later on if you choose to, right? Like I say, presentation, photos, animation, blah, 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 blah. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there, like ridiculous amounts. For $70 a month is really just, yeah, I just think it's pretty amazing for that. Now, you also do, that's the other thing I didn't mention, you've got an entire marketplace, so you can become an affiliate for other products as well, and also sell your own products, get affiliates to promote them for you. So I'm just going to say, for example, I wanted to add the CRM. All I do is just click on add. It will just load that up into my dashboard. Bang, there we go. Now all I'm going to do is just go back to my dashboard. All right, and as you can see, it should have popped up down here somewhere. There we go, CRM, cool. So then all you need to do is just click on that, and that'll load that CRM up, okay? I'm not going to do that right now. I just want to show you guys around. Now, of course, we do have this other stuff here. We've got the Builderall business section, which is all to do with the affiliate side of things. If you want to basically use it as a tool to make money online, you certainly can. Like I say, the crux is, and the point of it all being that you do need to promote it as a digital tool, not as just a get-rich-quick scheme type thing. So you do also have a couple of add-ons in here as well. So they've got some information and training on solo ads, inboxing, so in terms of getting more open rates, all that sort of stuff, building your business that way. But yeah, that's it. Basically, I mean, there's so many tools. It's a bit tricky to go through and actually suggest, use this one, use that one, type thing. But actually, we'll go through. Why not? I'll just go through Responsive Builder real quick. So all you need to do, as I say, is just click on Enter. Now, in terms of training, if you're ever concerned about that, they do have tutorials here under each item that you click on, and of course, you can go to support. There's a bunch of stuff there, and of course, there is training as well. So, and then of course, you've got the likes of me who produce video content on this. There's other people out there that are also going through things with a fine-tooth comb. So, with that in mind, my opinion of Builderall is that yes, it's a solid tool. You can use it for, I guess, as a replacement for many of your current paid digital options. But here's the caveat. Here's the thing that I will say about Builderall. It does have its clunks. It does have its chinks in its armor because they have tried to do so much. And even though the company's been around for a little while, the rollout of Builderall 3.0 has only just happened recently. They are still ironing out the wrinkles in their business plan and in the digital realm of what they offer. So what that means is that there are going to be certain things that aren't as intuitive as you would hope. There are certain things that don't work quite the way you would assume that they do. That's okay. For me, I don't really mind that because if I'm only paying $70 per month for a tool that literally has replaced so many of my other paid marketing related tools, I'm not overly phased. Now, that's basically the truth of it all. It does have its good, does have its bad, and in my opinion, it's an incredibly valuable tool for $70 per month. So I'm going to leave you guys with that. Like I say last time, if you do want to join my team, there is a link below. You're going to get a whole bunch of bonuses along with that. You do need to reach out to me afterwards if you do sign up. I'll explain that in the text below. Otherwise, if you did get any value out of this, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please feel free to leave a comment, smash that like button, and yeah, look forward to catching up with you guys in the next video. Thanks very much for joining me, guys. Bye-bye.